Welcome to Multimedia Tech 1. Today I'll be showing you how to use Audacity In-Depth as well as how to download the lame MP3 encoder, which allows you to export MP3 files from Audacity. So you first want to go to your internet browser, type in lame MP3 encoder Audacity, and then you want to click right here and scroll down so you get to lame right here, and click on where it says lame download page, and you want to scroll down and make sure you click on the exe lame version 3.9.8.3 and open. You want to go through permissions, and since I already have it downloaded, you just want to go through the steps in the setup process. And in fact, you can pause this video if you're in the middle of downloading. Now I will transition over into Audacity. Start by using royalty-free music, since I don't want to cause any copyright issues. So we'll start with this pinball spring from Incompetech, a website that has royalty-free music. Now that it's imported, we're going to want to play the video, the sound. Now you can see that it's playing. So first of all, we might want to make it fade in. It's too loud at the beginning. So you can effect, fade in. Now you can see you get kind of a cone shape, which indicates a low sound at the beginning and the sound getting higher. You can also select a certain area and click this, which can make you adjust the sound. If you you can actually select just a certain portion and shrink it like that. Next, you want to go to let's say you want to add another song. So you go here, and now it's in Audacity. So let's say you want to make that song come after instead of playing while the other song is playing. Since they're above, you want to Control X to cut, Control V, and now they play one after the other. Next, you may want to fade out the song in order to transition into the other song by going to Effect, Fade Out, and as you can see, you get the cone shape on the end. Now, as I showed before in the other video, you may see that over here you have a flat line. So in order to delete that, you want to select it and press your delete key. Now it should transition into each other. However, there's another way to help this. You click on the bottom track and you press this little arrow, and now you can extend it. Sorry, one second. You have to select it. Now you move over, press this, and you drag it so it's in line. So now, if you click, listen to it, you can see that you get a nice transition into the other sound. So I showed you how to fade out, fade in, these different features. Some of these are not really necessary. You may also want to zoom in to get more detail, or zoom out. You can change the playback speed as I showed you before, like this, like that. And you can put as many tracks as you want right on top of each other. You can mute one. You can put it in a solo. There's many features. Not all of them are necessarily necessary at all times. You can also duplicate a given track. There are many effects: equalization, amplify, auto, duck. I don't really need to go into these because they're not really necessary at the time. But you can do like wah-wah, phaser, repair, normalize, which would fix the sound, noise removal, remove. Yeah, so that you can also adjust the sound of certain sections for the output and the input. Now you also may want to add recording by going to the record button and saying YouTube, YouTube, YouTube. And now it can play over, or once again you can control X and you can bring it over all the way to the end. This is a good software for many various types of editing, as well as potentially making many tracks in a row. You can also put them all on one row by selecting, let's say, all of the. This is called a cipher. You may want to select all of the cipher track. Sorry, it's a long track. Hold on. And say you just want to take this part. I'm very zoomed in right now. Zoom out. It's a little bit too much. You can paste it on the top. Like that. Like I just took this whole section and pasted it again. Take this section and paste it right in there. So you can paste it anywhere in the entire track. And now you might want to know how to save. So you do File, Export, and you have many different ways. You have AIFF, you have a WAV, GSM, MP3. Most people prefer over WMA, they prefer MP3. And you can give it a file name. I suggest making your own folder, because there are other files that go along with it for the project. And if you want to come back and edit it, you want to save it as an AUP, an Audacity file. And that's it. So thanks for watching, and subscribe, comment with any other questions about Audacity or any other computer software you'd like me to go over. Thank you.